The proper method to disassemble the dispense head from the drum insert is to move the splash guard up, rotate the retaining ring counterclockwise, move the dispense head back and forth while lifting. Once unassembled from the drum insert, take the protective cap, place back over the base of the dispense head, move it out of position, assemble the shipping cap back on the drum insert, tightening hand tight or 7 foot-pounds. Once tight, you can assemble the shower cap onto the drum. Once that is complete, the drum can be returned to the chemical supplier.